Assalamu alaikum. Hey, listen, where are you going? Today, I'm gonna tell you now in this video a very significant topic. It can change yourself. Honestly say, are you want to make yourself brand or you want to buy brands product? Which is better between make yourself brand or brand product buy and you use? So, in my opinion, if you run behind brand's product, you are insane. Because if you want to make yourself brand product automatically come, but your family, you are not capable to buy brand products, but you make pressure on your family and you try to buy brand product. In my opinion, you really insane. Yes, you're really insane because it's high time to make yourself brand. When will you make yourself brand? Your very cheap product, this t-shirt, shirt, pant, this is very cheap, but it will be brand. When will you go in the people? That time the people look you, not look your brand product. If you have and if you make yourself brand, but if you wear brand product but no the those people know yourself, their look your cloth, your brand products, everything and all things, nobody look yourself. So your age 15 to 24, 25, it's high time to make yourself brand. You should show in the generation I have made myself brand. That's why my all think right now brands. So in my opinion, which people they are running behind for make his own self brand, they are real intelligent meritorious, but who have who which people, his parents, his family have lots of money, they are try to waste spend this money, they are not intelligent meritorious people. So to sum up, in my opinion, it's high time to make yourself brand. If you make yourself brand, automatically your 100 200 taka money t-shirt will be brand. So that's all about today's video topic.